Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve the today's LeetCode Daily challenge, a maximum path score in a grid. So the question says that you are given an m cross n grid where each cell contains one of the values 0, 1 or 2. You are also given an integer k. You start from top left corner 0, 0 and want to reach the bottom right corner m minus 1 n minus 1 by moving only right or down. Each cell contributes a specific score and incurs an associated cost according to their cell values. 0 adds 0 to your score and cost 0, 1 adds 1 to your score and cost 1, and 2 adds 2 to your score and cost 1. Return the maximum score achievable without exceeding the total cost of k, or minus 1 if no valid path exists. Note, if you reach the last cell but the total cost exceed k, the path is invalid. Okay, so we are given a grid m cross n, and we also given some digits inside the cells. These are 0, 1, 2, and we have to reach from the top left corner to the bottom right corner. Think like a video game. We are going to play the game from top, we have to reach the bottom, and we have to get maximum score. But the condition is given that we have cost as well as some penalty, and this penalty is here cost, and we get some score. So in like a game, we are getting some score, and we want to maximize our score to win the match, so that we will get more score value and we will select the more score path. And let's see this. I'm going to show you. Okay, so the catch is that you can reach the end, but the total cost is higher than k, then the path doesn't count. And if possible path doesn't more than k, then you choose the return minus 1. Okay, then you will lose the game. So if after reaching the path and after reaching the end of the point and cell, we cannot give the more than k value as a cost. Okay, so our cost should not exceed to the k, and we have to limit ourselves. And if there is a path which having cost greater than k, then we will not consider that path in our answer. Okay, so we have to return the maximum achievable score. And let's try to this example. And this example given 0, 1, 1 2 1 2 0 and k equal to 1. So let's try to run this. So again, I have shown you the grid that I have made. Okay, so this is the question given here. Here k equal to 1, the grade is given 0, 1, 2, 0. So if we have our score and cost both initially 0, then there is one path that we can move from top left corner to the 1, then 1 to the 1. Then after reaching this, we get maximum score so far is 1. Okay, and here the cost is 1 and score is 1, which is under limit. Okay, one another option that we can choose, that using 1 we can use 2. This path from going 1 0 0 0 to 1 0, after that going 1 1, we get the maximum achieved score is 2. So in this way we can maximize our score by going to this way. Okay, so let's try to solve this question. We are going to solve using dynamic programming, and this is the most optimized approach for solving this question, based on dynamic programming and having a dictionary storage, which is a dynamic storage. Okay, so it is a space optimized solution that I am going to provide you. So let's try to run direct write the code. And we have length m and n. We will calculate it as len of grid, then len of grid 0. Okay, and then we have one dp equal to dictionary. I will show you the structure of dp first, then it would be easy to understand. Our dp would be like dp of ij is equal to dictionary of cost versus maximum score. Okay, our cost is the key and maximum score is our value. So how we are going to create this? We are going to take in list inside list, and in this list we are going to take a dictionary for hyphen in range n, and then again one loop for hyphen in range m. Okay, for each and every cell we have to take a dictionary inside a dp which is initially empty, and then we have starting cost is calculated by method get cost okay. It is recording fine, and then inside the get cost we will pass grid 0 0 0 as a first path. After that we will take if condition if start cost is greater than k, then we will return -1. Okay, then I will fill our dp for score, and then dp of 0 0 and start cost is equal to get score of grid 0 0. Then we will initialize a for loop for I in range m, and for j in range n. For every row and every column we have to calculate cost comma score in list of dp ij dot items and for every value we will calculate for dji comma dj in 4 direction. The direction is 2, which is bottom or right, and then we will take 2 directions. One is directions in a list form, then one direction is bottom, which one direction is right, which is 0 comma 1, and the next direction is bottom, which is 1 comma 0. So we will try to check both the direction, which is in our new direction ni and nj, that would be made up of I plus di and j plus dj, and then we will check the boundary condition like ni is less than m and nj is less than n. Okay, then if boundary condition is followed, then we will take value equal to grid of ni and j. We will assign the value equal to ni and nj and update our new cost equal to cost plus get cost. So we will create this function get cost, and pass here value, and if new cost is less than equal to k, then we will update our new score equal to score plus get score, and also write this function get score. We have to write these two functions, and then we will check the condition if new cost in not in dp, if new cost not in dp of ni nj, then we one more condition here, sorry, condition is that if the value of dp ni nj and new cost, if the first condition is not true, then we will check the second condition. If the value of ni nj and new cost is less than, I think it is not visible, no, is less than dp of ni nj and dp of, okay, so this value is less than new score, then we will update our dp of ni nj and new cost equal to new score. So if our current value is less than new score, then we will update this value with our new score, and for every time we will update this, and finally we will check if not dp of m-1 n-1, then there is a no valid path exist. For that we will return -1, and otherwise we will return max of dp m-1 n-1 and m-1 n-1 dot values, and the maximum of that would be returned. And for the get score and get value, we let's write the function def get score or get value. First is get cost. Okay, get cost function, we will provide the value as a parameter, and we will return 0 if val equal to 0, val equal to 0, else 1. Okay, this is the cost. Then for this cost is defined in the question, then we will get score, write the function get score, and we will pass the value, and we will just return this value, nothing. Okay, it's simple. Let's try to run this. Grid is not defined, so spelling of grid is wrong. Let's correct this. Get score is not defined. I think spelling of score is wrong here. COR. Again, try to run this. It has value, it should be values, not value. Yeah, it is accepted. Try to submit that. Yeah, it is accepted. We have rewarded with April 2026. Okay, thank you for watching. Hope you understand. Let's try to talk try to calculate the time complexity. So as we have gone through every cell m cross n, for every value we have calculated uh, k times. So the time complexity would be big O of m cross n cross k, and we have used a dictionary inside our dp m cross n, so it is also space complexity also big O of m cross n cross k. Okay, so thanks for watching, hope you got that.